Wyatt, I'm rolling.
Wyatt, I am rolling.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the set of CJ's First Cooking Show. I am CJ. Right back here over
Me?
Nate.
Hey.
Ethan's
Hi.
on this camera.
It's that guy.
Guys, I'm excited to show you this one. Here's why I'm excited.
Hit me.
Because
With
the other
your
day,
best shot.
Hit me with your best shot.
Nate made some shrimp tacos,
Yeah?
and they sucked.
They were pretty good.
Mine are gonna be better. Guys, today I'm gonna show you a fun one. We're not gonna do shrimp tacos, because shrimp is gross in a taco.
You weirdo.
We're gonna do chicken tacos. Not just chicken tacos. We're gonna do Thai lime ginger sear and serve chicken tacos on the Blackstone. They're gonna be awesome. You're gonna have to give me a legitimate criticism if they're good, at the least as good as Nate's shrimp tacos.
Oh, I'll be critical.
Yeah, I know you will, jerk. Take your freaking uncle's side every now and then. For our first step in this delightful taco dish, we are going to be making a quick pickle of coleslaw, so to speak.
Slaw.
Slaw. It's gonna be, it's a fun hack using the bag. If you want to get your own cabbage, carrots, whatever you want in your coleslaw, go for it. But the important part is the ingredients that's gonna go in here. So our first ingredient up is some rice wine vinegar. Now, the reason I'm doing this first part without my slaw in actually is because, how about I just go ahead and put that next ingredient in so that way it makes a little bit more sense. I'm gonna be doing some honey. I'm doing honey in here, and then I'm gonna stir it up because it's gonna be hard to stir up my honey with my ingredients.
Oh, you want to incorporate the honey.
Yeah, and it'll be tough to do that with everything, with all my slaw in there. So, exactly. Next up, we've got some ponzu. Now, ponzu is like, it's a fun one. It's not soy sauce. It's like a mild soy, but with like a lemon zest. If you were
Ponzu, not Ponzi.
I didn't say ponzi.
No, you didn't.
I said ponzu.
Yeah. Are you sure you did?
No.
Are you sure?
My next one is some essential blend. This is going to be a delicious blend of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder.
Is it essential?
It's quite essential. And because I want a little bit of zip with this bad boy, which we're going to post dust here in a little bit.
All zippy.
I'm going to add some tequila lime seasoning. Now, let's go ahead and incorporate this. And the last thing I'm going to do is add a bit of Charlie.
Actually smells really good.
Dude.
Ponzu's money. If you've never had Ponzu,
yeah,
do yourself a favor.
This is a terrible description, but it's pretty spot on. Spray some Pledge.
Why?
And that lemon zesty smell, that.
No, it's not that.
Pledge brings out the beauty.
Honestly, it is that.
Your Honor, disregard last statement.
Quiet! Overruled!
I like this to be in there and have a little bit of time to swim in the ingredients. You know what?
Swim.
So I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more rice vinegar and some ponzu.
Dang, more liquid?
Well, I want this to be. I said I want it to swim. I can't take this anymore.
I don't know, but that's the deep end and squids can't swim.
You might be asking yourself why the olive oil. The olive oil is gonna give it a bit of sheen. That's why we say a little Charlie Sheen.
I don't think Charlie Sheen would understand what's going on here.
See what I did there?
Not a little Estevez?
You know what? A little.
Wonder why
Man, I was like Emilio.
The Mighty Duckman, I swear to God, I was there.
Charlie Sheen? Emilio Sheen? Wait, it wasn't even Emilio.
Well, maybe he's got a different.
I know. I'm wondering what it is.
Okay, that's a good point. Let us know in the comments down below because
Do you know Emilio's first name or his real name?
So I've got my Blackstone right now set on low, medium, low. I've got chicken cutlets as well. These are brilliant to lose. Don't lose them. They're brilliant to use because they cook so quickly. It's a really fun hack when it comes to the chicken game. They're quick cooks. They stay juicy. They chop up quickly. They chop up easily. It's really freaking awesome. Okay, we've had so much going on. I've neglected the old friend back there. What the bell, man? Definitely looks like it's time to go ahead and flip our chicken cutlets. These cook quick.
Multi-flipper?
So
Multi-flipper
don't get too far. Check them every couple minutes, flip them when you need, and now it's time to start glazing with the Thai lime ginger sear and serve. Dude, if you have not had this stuff, it is so freaking choice.
It is so choice.
So we're gonna give that a couple more flips. Don't, as it's glazing, the beauty about glazing is actually it's gonna deter from
Detour.
from some burning. You know, you don't want this to get black. You know what I'm saying? You don't want this to get black, dog.
Speaking of black dog, hey CJ, did you know that Frau Eva von Zeppelin, who was a far descendant of Count Ferdinand Zeppelin, thought that Led Zeppelin was using their name in disgrace, so she demanded that the band change their name, and she got her wish right on February 28th of 1970 when the band played as the Knobs in Copenhagen, but nobody really liked that, so they switched it back to Led Zeppelin and played it like that ever since.
Knobs.
That was a mouthful of impressive information. I will definitely
you can bring
it
for that.
to bring it. And by the way, these tacos are going to be like a stairway to heaven. Our chicken is for sure done. These do not take long. We're going to bring them over here and let them finish up. You know what I might do? I might throw them back on after I cut them up and do a last glaze. We'll see.
We'll see.
Well, not so sure. But what I will do is right over here in another zone.
Flour tortillas, huh?
This is a call. It's a call for flour situation.
Football nut.
You sports nut, huh?
Don't let me burn those, dude.
It's
So
on you, Ethan.
this is actually 100% on you, Eve. Now while that is going, we're gonna make a sauce to drizzle over our tacos here at the very end. So I'm gonna do, we're gonna do one part, I guess, actually technically, however you work
How many
this out.
parts?
Math. A 1-to-1 ratio is what I'm gonna do here of sour cream to Thai lime ginger, sear, and serve. And what I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna add just a hint of ponzu because
a little vinegar.
just
Little
because
acidity.
I love it so much. And I'm gonna mix this up. Now, you might not get it all right at the very beginning. You might have to add maybe a little bit more of one thing, maybe a little more seasoning. Sometimes you don't get it right the first time. Sometimes you burn a thing or two. That's the process of cooking.
Some people do.
You 100% have.
Never. How are we?
It needs some essential blend. It's a little too sour creamy. I don't like just sour. You know what it also needs? Just a little bit of tequila lime as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Get on it.
Well, I'm adding a little bit of lime juice. Now this might make the consistency of my sauce a little...
You did say drizzleable.
It is going to definitely... well,
that's the word.
That's the word. I might need a little more... Nah.
Verdict.
That's the moneymaker right there. Let's check on our tortillas. Because...
Ethan didn't even mention it.
Yeah, I was gonna come in like halfway through the sauce, but
Yeah.
Oh. Good job, Ethan.
Way to go, buddy. Look at you. Okay, Ethan, I'm gonna let you decide this. Should we chop our chicken and do one more glaze, or should we just leave it as is? What?
glaze.
Okay. Well, then that's what we're gonna do.
Chop and glaze.
We're gonna chop.
It's like the bend and snap.
Exactly. Works every time.
You're gonna dance? And snap.
He said it so nonchalant.
It's not even a
Obviously.
quote. All right. Now, Ethan, because I'm letting you be in control at this point, should we chop the chicken down anymore or leave them in
Yes.
strips like that?
Chop it more.
Ethan, I will let you decide.
Yeah, I'd chop them like once in half.
Okay, one more and a
Okay.
half. Attaboy. Good job. Way to listen to the chef on set. All right. So there we go. Heading over to the griddle top for
I'm just
last.
grateful you
quick-
used pre-cooked chicken.
Dude, leave it in the comments below.
You
if
and
you
your
guys,
pre-cooked chicken.
if you haven't watched it yet, go watch the
pizza.
the flatbread pizza. Yeah, you're right. The flatbread pizza,
Oh,
two
the
ways.
flatbread. I thought it was the pizza.
right. Go watch that real quick. Let me know your thoughts. I did a hack using pre-cooked chicken. It's not a big deal.
That's a cheat.
It's kind of the same thing.
Nope.
All right, we're gonna do a last quick glaze here.
Dang.
Then it's gonna
Wow,
be
it
time.
smells so good when it hits the heat.
Oh yeah, dude, the aroma starts to dance. Oh, the glaze
That's
was a good call.
Good call, Ethan.
One last glaze. One last bit of glaze, and
Another
then
glaze?
Well, why not?
Wow.
Dude, we're gonna cook. This is gonna be a Thailand
You're a
ginger
glaze
madman.
maniac.
I know. What can I say? All right, I'm turning the heat, and we are pulling our tortillas. And my boys, it is now
We're there?
time to build.
We're there.
We're there, man.
We're there.
All right, boys. Let me grab these guys. Let's just set them in right here since I'm I'm already over here.
It's a fun presentation tool you got there.
Thanks.
You
Thanks,
got
guy.
there?
Thanks there, fella. Yeah, if you don't have one of the Blackstone taco racks, you definitely need to get one. These are crazy convenient. And let's head on back over here and start the building process. Now to build, this is gonna be beautifully simple. We're gonna drain some of the slaw as we pull it out to go in the
Definitely.
tortilla. You want some of the juice, but you don't want it to just be dripping
Wet.
and sopping. It's gonna kind of defeat the point of crisping up your flour tortilla. So we got that at the base.
You can get without your eyes getting all wet.
And that one's as close as you can get to Bailey's without your eyes getting wet.
Then we're gonna come around and throw some of our beautifully glazed chicken cutlets
Beautiful.
on there. Now on top of that, this is the best part. I'm gonna chop up some of these. Dude, found some really fun, not just regular cashews. I got some chili lime flavored cashews.
Oh.
Traditional ones will work, but I'm gonna chop these up real fine. Not fine, I'm just gonna chop them up a lot.
Fine enough.
Fine enough. Gonna chop those up, and then we're gonna drizzle some of our special sauce on top of the chicken. Following that, we're gonna put some of those cashews, and my friends, of course, I have to post us with the tequila lime. Number one, because it's good, and number two, because it looks freaking awesome. Don't you agree?
I agree.
I agree.
Yous agree?
I agree.
All right, well then, there it is, my friend. Let's devour. All right, boys. Pretty excited about this one. I tasted the chicken off camera, and it's a freaking winner. So if my coleslaw and my chicken and my sauce,
Very Asian. Very lime.
very
Thai lime and gingery.
not just a clever name.
That's not clever.
And might I add, the
Color on
tortillas.
the tortilla. Ethan,
Perfect.
Good work,
Ethan,
bud.
way to go, my man. If this is good, it's actually all because of you. So
100%.
if it sucks,
That's what they say.
You're
in the
going
comment
under the bus.
section. I like that you have the chicken, the crunch, the cabbage instead of lettuce on a taco is a pro move. It's all texture. It's Wotan. I haven't even tried it, but I know it's gonna be good.
normally
That's it.
things like lettuce or maybe a slaw, it's just a texture thing.
The ponzu.
That was a flavor rock star. Okay. And then the cashews.
okay.
If you're into spicy at all, this is gonna change your life. Did you? I mean, you saw the glazed chicken, right? Like
So glazy.
so freaking glazy. You're gonna love this. Leave it in the comments below. Are you into the heat, the spicy, the not so nicey? Hey,
Oh,
hey.
that was bad.
Speaking of not so nicey, it's now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Don't you know that you're my best friend? Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining us in this segment of the show. This is the moment where we get to screenshot comments from you, the
Best
viewers.
part of the show?
It certainly is at least a second best, maybe the best.
Maybe.
Because if you guys write it,
We read it.
that's exactly right. And so I'm going to share comments from you, the viewers, starting in no particular order, starting
In.
from the top, I guess.
okay.
Yeah, here we go. This comes from RGS. That's just it. RGS says, stick with cooking and sideline your comedy. This is a cooking channel, isn't it? Duh.
Wow.
I just ate tacos. RGS, hey dude, sorry, it's not gonna happen. Yes, it's a cooking show.
Yeah. Yes, we're funny.
Yes, and we like movies.
I mean, we think we're funny.
Okay, this next one comes in from Matthew.
Broderick.
Yup.
Are you suggesting that I'm not who I say I am?
Matthew M. Matthew M. watched my pizza video.
Matthew Mondrick.
Unfortunately, later, and said, we tried it tonight and failed.
Nice. Oh, wait. As did you?
Wait,
What first? And then
we should have watched your
you
video
redeemed your-
first.
Yeah.
look,
It
that's
happened.
why I do things sometimes. I like to show you what not to do. Had you watched my show,
It's
you would have
called
known
being-
that.
It's being a coach.
I'm just here to coach you. Help me
Help you.
ring the bell.
Those who can't play, teach. And
Those who can't teach.
Teach Jim.
All right, this next one comes in from Mike Sacco.
Hey, Mike.
Sacco. Charred, not burnt. Big difference.
Oh, this is true. This is science.
It really is.
It is.
So the pizza
No,
was...
yours was burnt.
No,
But-
no. It was definitely charred,
Over caramelized.
not burnt, but it was good. Ethan ate it, right, Ethan?
Mm.
Eat anything though, so.
Ah.
All right, but in all fairness, whose taco is best? Ethan. Well,
Ugh.
Ethan is looking for a new... He's in transition. So leave applications below. We're looking for someone who can't read, knows how to ring a bell, and enjoys my tacos better. See?
Yeah.
It's freaking
Dang
right.
it!
Okay, this one comes in from Danny Marino.
Oh, here we go.
Danny Marino.
Here we go.
Nice recovery, Maverick, on that second pizza. It's no good. It's no good.
It's no good. Get in there, Maverick. It's no good.
That's right.
It's no good.
I am dangerous. Oh, good tooth chomp.
Thank you very much.
Tooth or teeth?
Teeth.
Teeth chomp.
Teeth chomping.
Chomp.
Danny, listen, my friend, the pattern is definitely not full around here.
Nice.
Negative Ghost Rider, the pattern is full.
Oh, Steve Apple says... Apple. Says, holy hyperspace, did I just see a Han Solo blaster on your leg? You did, my friend. I'm a bit of a Star Wars nerd.
A bit. It's permanently on your flesh.
Dude, who are you calling scruffy looking?
Who's scruffy looking?
Thank you. Han Solo, my man. Bringing it. I know.
I know. That's good. I got it.
I know. This one is sent in from Ryan Bieberich. Bieberich.
Bieber?
This is...
It's Justin's brother.
Yep.
Easy.
Yep. So, Justin's brother Ryan says, Dear Nate.
Oh, uh-oh. Sorry for that.
I no longer think of you like Bob Ross, even though he's a great guy and awesome at what he does, just not so entertaining. Now that you've changed your floor mat.
Oh, okay.
Floor mat, maybe?
Floor mat.
It was a jump to conclusions, Matt.
Now that you got rid of your floor mats, I think you and CJ are my favorite two of the bunch to watch.
Floor mat. Wait, us both?
Yes.
Wow.
Super entertaining and great recipes as well. The entire Blackstone crew rocks.
Ryan? Heck yeah.
You know what? Justin was my favorite Beeb before, but never say never.
What's his last name?
Never say never.
His real last name? It was not Bieber.
It's Bieberich.
It's Bieberich fever around here. No?
No. Not like that.
I don't even know.
Not like this.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. We really do appreciate it. We love the comments, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We enjoy them all. Also, be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe. All of the other recipes, go to griddlenation.com. If you got something grad you want to put up on the board, just send it to me. If it's a sticker, if it's a hand-drawn picture of me, if it's a koozie, if you want to send us a shirt, whatever. If you have a recipe for me, I don't know. Let me know. I'll put it up on the board. That's the OG board. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. We will see you on the next episode. Also taking applications because E is a tool. Have a great night.
Is he wearing umpire shorts?
Yeah, let me go ahead and make this call for you.
You're out!
You beat it. You beat me to it. Safe.